Hello friends, in this session we will learn the draft reflector line command. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, open the CATIA software and here create a like this part in part design. Okay, and this task shows you how to draft a face. This face how to draft using by reflect lines as a neutral line. Okay, from which the resulting face, this is a resulting face, will be generated. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, you can create like this part. Okay, this is a filleted and this is a part. Okay, now we will select a draft reflect line command. This is a draft reflect line command. Select it and here the draft reflect line definition dialog box is open. Here same, this is the angle of the draft and this is a face to draft. Okay, I want this face. Okay, that's why select the fillet. Okay, and here the angle is shown. You can increase this angle. This is a reflect line. The pink line is a reflect line. Okay, see, after increasing the angle, then it will goes up per side. Okay, see, and click on preview. Okay, this is a preview of draft reflect line. Okay, and click OK. See, this is a draft reflect line. Come on. Okay, like this the draft reflect line command is used. Okay, now next is variable angle draft. This is a variable angle draft command. Okay, let's see. First of all, Control Z. You can create like this part in part design, and now we will see the draft variable angle draft command on this or on this. In any edge of the part you can create different points on different distance. Okay, click at this. Second is create at here. This create at here. This create at here. Okay, click OK. Now we'll see variable angle draft. Select this command and here first one is constant and second one is variable. Okay, this is constant and this is variable. Now select draft variable angle draft command, and first of all we will see constant. Okay, first of all we will see constant. Now here this is a angle, this is a face to draft, and this is a neutral element. This select and select neutral element. This is a neutral element. Okay, now click on preview. This command is used like a draft angle command. Okay, next is variable. Control Z and select this. Again select variable angle draft command. This is a draft definition dialog box open. This is a variable angle draft command. Okay, now this is a angle face to draft points, these points, and this is a neutral elements. Okay, first of all select a face, select a neutral element and select points, this point and this point. Okay, now after selecting points, select one by one and give the different angle. Okay, and increase this. Okay, and click on preview. See, this is a preview of the variable angle draft, and click on OK. See, this is a variable draft angle draft command. Okay, like this the variable draft angle draft command is used.